We'll guide you through how to back up and restore messages in WhatsApp Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, to go and back up messages, go to the top right and tap the three dots, go down the list and tap settings, go and find chats, and you want to scroll down and find chat backup. You can go and choose the Google account you want to back up to, the frequency and some other options. And to go and do the backup, press backup. You can go and see the last backup here, and this is the backup you'll be able to go and restore to. So if you want to restore to a backup, come out of WhatsApp, and we need to go and delete it. Just remember when you do this, everything that's happened since the last backup will be lost. I'll go and press uninstall, find WhatsApp, and we can install it again. When it's finished, go and tap open. Start the process of setting it up. You'll need to go and enter in your number. After you've done that, it'll go and say looking for backups, and now we've got this pop-up about restoring chats. So you can go and see the last backup, the size of it, and the account. We can then press restore. You can then press next at the bottom like so,